Greetings, everyone. Welcome to the month of May and also the state of Orange. That's right, at least for the first couple of weeks in May, the state of Utah is operating under the orange of the phased guidelines of the Utah Leads Together 2.0 plan. I'm going to talk, though, about the three pillars that the League uses in our advocacy: respect, collaboration, and outcomes. And I'm pleased to report that we've had success with all three pillars. First, respect. When I talk to state league directors around the country, there is a shocking lack of respect between state leaders and local leaders as they've tackled COVID-19. We're fortunate here in Utah that we have a governor who practices what he preaches when it comes to local control. In fact, we've had a very good working relationship with him, and he has tried to empower the decision-making of local leaders around the state. Second, that leads to collaboration. Again, as you look at states around the country, you're seeing states that aren't willing to share dollars with local governments and aren't collaborating with them on their public health and economic health plans. Here in the state of Utah, on the other hand, we've had good collaboration as we've talked about the implementation of the CARES Act and tried to ensure that there are dollars available for local governments to tackle the unique challenges that we're facing. We've also been able to have regular communication, weekly town halls with the lieutenant governor, regular communication with the congressional delegation, and with other state and local leaders. Third, outcomes. At the end of the day, we're all striving for the same outcome, which is public health and economic health. As we work toward that outcome, May is going to be a very busy month. We've had 7 tough weeks of COVID-19. We're now in the first phase of the stabilization process. That stabilization is going to continue as we get into the summer. But during the month of May, we're going to be working closely with the federal delegation as we try to seek a fourth stimulus package that could provide additional assistance for local governments to meet the expenses that you were planning on using until COVID-19 struck. And we also will be working with the state of Utah around the phased guidelines and Utah Leads Together 3.0, which we anticipate this month. As a result, we need your help. We need you to contact your federal delegation. We need you to talk to members of Congress and tell them about the impact of COVID-19 in your community. We'll be collecting data and sending a survey soon to help assemble all of that information so that we can share it with the congressional delegation. We also need your input about potential changes to Utah Leads Together 2.0 so that we're ready when Utah Leads Together 3.0 comes out later this month. Collectively, we've made a positive difference here in the state of Utah. And on behalf of the League Board of Directors, I thank you for the leadership that you're showing in your communities. Respect, collaboration, and outcomes. We've seen tremendous success around those three pillars over the last 7 weeks and look forward to that success again in May. Remember, government closest to the people governs best.